Good morning everyone! So for today's video, I am going to make a simple breakfast for my husband. And today, I'm gonna be showing how to cook mantar. Very simple. And as you can see, I am boiling here my chai already. So sa paggagawa ng chai, you need these two pieces. Hi! So you need to boil water here, of course. And then this one must be empty first. Then after that, you will get this one. Here, this is my mantar. I'll be washing it. You will add here this water like that, water, and then 1 tablespoon of tea. Then you will put it back on fire. So in cooking this mantar, my first step is to chop this onion. Like so. It's up to you how you will cut your onions. It doesn't matter. Because they will just go all together inside the pot or inside the pan. Then I'm just gonna put it straight here in my pan like that. Because as I am telling you, I am not burning the olive oil. That's why I am putting them straight here all together. And then this one. Actually, this one no need this chopping board. I am cutting it like this. I am using a small knife like that. This is more easy, less noise. Actually, before I was not used to do like this, to cut like this. I was always using chopping board, but since my fellow family here used to do like this. So that's it. Then after that, they're all together here now inside the pan. Next is my mushroom or the mantar. I'm just chopping it like this, as you can see. So these are all here. So I have this salt in my hand. I think it's about a teaspoon of salt. You will just add here on top of it. And then after that, you will add some olive oil. So it's up to you if you want to make it oily or not. A little bit, a dash of olive oil. It is much better if you will be adding a black pepper and red pepper. But in my case, the spicy is not good for him. Spicy food, I mean. So I'm gonna be cooking it like this. All I need to do is to cover it like so and put it straight on the fire. Yes, there it is. It is on top of the fire, and then I will just wait for it to boil. Yes, the water of the mushroom came out already. As you can see, I didn't add water here. This is the water coming from the mushroom. So all you need to do is to lessen the fire a little bit, cover it again, and let the water to evaporate or to lessen. So while I am waiting for the mushroom to cook, I'll be preparing some of tomatoes, cucumber like that, and some greeneries. So after few more minutes, as you can see, the water lessened already. I'm gonna be adding a little bit pulbebe, just a little bit like that. So add a little bit spice. It's up to you if you want to make it more spicy or not. So here it is. It is cooked and done. So as you can see, the water lessened like that. Only the oil. Ready to serve. So this is the breakfast that I made for him. Simple yet healthy. So that's his usual breakfast as a cancer patient. So as you can see, I added there 1 piece of egg because it is recommended for him to eat at least 1 fried egg every day. Thank you everyone for joining me again today. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!